download a C2 from uklocksport.co.uk. As you can see, this is a kind care package from Rickwales and our UK Locksport forum. I sent Rick a package the other week, a couple of pick sets that I wasn't using. You know, he likes collecting sort of pick sets such as the ones I had, and it was the Covert Entry Seer pick set that I won from Bosnian Bill's competition. I also sent him a Sharpie Covert pick set, which is obviously picks inside a Sharpie pen, easy to sort of conceal going around different countries maybe. So like I say, I knew Rick liked those, so I said I'd send him them, and he was adamant about sending me a care package, and I said no, it's okay, they're a gift type thing. Again, he was adamant, that's Rick for you, so hence the reason for this package. I'm not using my normal camera because I think my wife and son have taken it off to London, so a bit delayed in doing the package video. My lad Jacob opened it, he couldn't wait, so obviously it's not an out of the package sort of type thing because it's already open. So Rick, you're a true gent. First of all, there was 2 of these hobnob bars in there and one's gone. As soon as Jay got into the package and had a look through stuff, saw the biscuit, one went. He enjoyed it. So let's just pop that to one side. There's some lovely, lovely bits and pieces in here. This lovely zone padlock. So I've got my mobile phone clamped up in a vise, so hope you can see this. So that's a lovely lock. Also a Zippo type lighter, Poland. I've got my Zippo, so that's fantastic. I might even let Jacob have this when we go camping, etc. He's old enough sort of to respect fire and things, which brings me on to another point that you also popped in for Jacob. A couple of knives, and this is fantastic. It fit sort of in a wallet, credit card size. I've not messed about with it yet, but there's the blade. You take that out, I think you'd spin it round so the blade runs that way. That'd fold over onto there, so you've then got a full knife to work with. Beautiful. I've also got another knife for Jacob, but what is attached is this fantastic Peterson triple peak. That's the reason I sort of couldn't get on with, or never even really tried, the Seer pick set. It did have one of these in. I've never played about with a triple peak, so obviously Rick's added this, so I sort of wanted one, a Peterson, with my picks all being Petersons with a couple of mix and matches in there. So I'm going to have a play with that. Thank you, my friend. And 2 of these pry bars. I've got the standard Peterson pry bars and always wanted to have a play with these, so they were a pleasant surprise as well. Now the knife. Like I say, also if we're on camping trips, I'll allow Jacob to carry one of the knives. Like I say, he respects them. I grew up with knives, with my father taking me out shooting, etc. and camping, so I've got no issue with letting my lad at 10 years of age carry a pocket knife while camping. and Rick understands that, so thank you again, my friend. Beautiful. Got a Ruco. I picked a couple of these, never picked one on camera actually. Picked a couple at work as well, so that's going to be fun to play with. Also a Reese safety padlock, all brass including the shackle. Now I did have to pick one of these at work some time ago off something. Keys were missing, I needed to get into it, I was asked, so I picked it. I had an issue picking it the standard way, sort of clockwise with a tension wrench, and I happened to spin the tension wrench round and pick counterclockwise and it opened. So I do believe these can open clockwise and counterclockwise with a key or pick and tension wrench. So that's going to be fun. Last but not least, I was over the moon with this. It's a Papays CR30 padlock. Now, Rick knows I collect Papays padlocks, the brass type. I love them. I think one of the first ever locks that I picked was a Papays CR50 and loved it. So what I have in my collection at the moment is a CR60, CR50, CR45, it's a long shackle. This one is a 200 /40, so I'm not sure why it's not got the CR stamped on there. And the last one I have in my collection is a CR20. Now the CR30 near enough completes my Papays brass padlock collection. So thank you so much, Rick. I've now got the CR60, CR50, 45, 40, the 30 from Kind You, and the CR20 on there. So you're an absolute gent, you really are. You did not have to send these out. Like I say, I wasn't using the pick sets that I sent to you, but I'm overwhelmed. I really am. So thank you again so much, Rick. I can't stress that enough. So guys, even though it's not lock picking video, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you again so much, Rick. You're a true gent, really are.